Okay, one more like this. Let's start again and eliminate the problems that we know it can't be. We have a positive slope. This is as y goes up, oops, sorry about that, as y increases, so does x, positive slope. So which ones don't have a positive slope? Well, B doesn't have a positive slope, and neither does D. Okay? Now, wow, neither does C. What do you know? So it's looking like it's gotta be A. Um, and in fact, it's a good sign because it's a very steep line and that aligns with a slope of 5. 5 is a high number, so that should have a steep slope. Rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Run 1. Rise of 5 over 1 or 5. Great. Now what we need to do is we need to see if it goes through the correct point. It seems like we were already at the answer because we eliminated all the other answers, and of course we are at the right answer because it's got a positive slope. But let's just verify it as the best way possible. Let's look at the point that they are saying it's going through. To write this equation, they use the point -2 for x, opposite of what you see, -3 for y. So we need to check and say, does the point go through -2, comma, -3? Indeed it does. That's great. That's what we needed to do to verify that it was A. And so we have as an answer A.